Hey guys, I have here these Spoke Reflectors, and in this video I want to explain to you how to install these on your bicycle. So these come in a package of 36 reflectors, and each of my wheels has 32 spokes. And I decided to split up the package between the two wheels by putting one reflector onto every second spoke. Now for the country of Germany this would be illegal because you have to actually put 36 of those spoke reflectors onto each wheel. And I don't know how you're supposed to do this if your wheel only has 32 spokes. But luckily we don't have to worry about that here. Okay, so now let's have a close look at one of those reflectors. These are basically just some hollow plastic sticks with some reflective coating on the outside. And then on one side there's a small slot that we can use to push the reflectors over our spokes. Now as you can see, this is really simple to do. I can just even do it single-handed while I have the camera in my other hand. Now as I mentioned before, I'm going to put one reflector onto every second spoke, and that's how that looks like in the end. Of course we're going to repeat the same process on the rear wheel as well. And one thing that we didn't talk about yet is the correct positioning, and that is, for one, you want to place all of the reflectors in the same distance from the rim. And then second, you want to rotate the reflectors in a way that the slot is facing into the driving direction, meaning that you can basically not see the slot from the side, which increases the visibility of these reflectors immensely. And now that we are done, we actually have a couple of leftovers, so in case we're losing some riding around, then we can still replace them with these spares. And here's what it actually looks like when you use them at night. And that is already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.